driven by passion. A passion for performance, for innovation, redefining the state-of-the-art in engine technology. Consumed with a desire for power, developing new standards and conventions that would meet the performance challenge, to explore the outer limits of driving imagination. Traxxas engineers looked to the past for inspiration. The TRX Pro 15 was the first to establish new expectations for nitro performance. The Traxxas Easy Start system ushered in a new era of convenience and ease of use. The TRX 2.5, a marvel of award-winning technology that set the bar for ready-to-race power. Until now, 14 years of nitro engine development have culminated into the most powerful TRX engine ever made. Introducing Extreme Power, the TRX 3.3 racing engine. 60% more peak power, nearly 50% more total power, backed by the support and reliability you expect from Traxxas. The lifetime engine replacement plan. Traxxas Top Fuel. A commitment to our customers. A system of total performance. Traxxas TRX 3.3 racing engine. Extreme power.